Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So most likely the price will be less volatile, and I won't be trying to take any external liquidity as my target. So a scalp can be a possibility. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price is still in the same range as it was before. We are within this candle's range and the price is moving into the upside direction. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in here. As we move into the weeklies, what we can see is that the price has respected this FVG and moved into the upside direction. Not only that, this was the area where the price could have possibly reacted to and moved into the downward side, but we have already disrespected it. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to take some kind of liquidity in the price over here, and then I'll be anticipating that we can react to the 50% of this candle's range. So it is still unmitigated. So now let's move to the daily to see what do we have in there. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that after respecting this flip zone into the price has left this FVG. So this is kind of a sign in the chart that the price is bullish. So from here, I'm anticipating that most likely this equal high is going to be targeted into the price. So let's move to the 4 hours to confirm our bias. As we move into the 4 hour, let's delete it. As we move into the 4 hour, what we can see is that we are having equal highs sitting just above this range, and we have nothing to stop because everything is mitigated over here. The price has already respected the 4-hour FVG, and not only that, we have also disrespected this BPR into the price, and currently the price is moving into the higher side. So I'm anticipating that we are going to take support within this candle's range, and then we are going to tap this equal high and later on this equal high. So let's move to the 2 hours now. There's nothing much clear into the 2 hours. Let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hour, what we can see is that the price had been respecting the FVG since this area, and we are moving into the higher direction, though we are sweeping the lows. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to see session manipulation today, and what I'm anticipating is that into the London session, most likely the price can be taking the low of Asia as a liquidity, and then we are going to continue our journey towards the higher side till this level. So this is my today's bias, and let's say that if this low is disrespected, that is the extreme low is disrespected by the market, then I'll be waiting for the price to show some kind of, I need a close below it, and if we get a close below it, I'll be anticipating that we are going to have a reaction within this daily range, and I'll be waiting for the price to confirm its direction, and then only I'll be trading into the market. For today's bias, I'm basically bullish till this equal high area. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.